Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Take out your English grammar book. Today we will discuss new chapter number 13. Okay? Use of has and have, page number 38. 38 में आज हम नया चैप्टर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Use of has and have. When you will use has and when you will use have. Has is used with he, she, it and the noun is only one. जब सिंगुलर रहेगा तब आप has का यूज करोगे और has कब यूज होता है? he के साथ में, she के साथ में, it के साथ में और सिंगुलर. You have to remember this. Okay? And have is used with I, we, you, they and more than one. एक से ज़्यादा means plural. Plural में आप किसका यूज करोगे? have का. Okay? And I, we, you, they. You will use have. Understood? Now, see page number 38. Read the following sentences. I am reading sentences from your book and I am trying to explain it. Listen carefully. I have a pen in my hand. I have a pen. I के साथ में क्या लगता है? Have. I have a pen in my hand. It means मेरे हाथ में पेन है. I have a pen in my hand. मेरे हाथ में पेन है या मेरे पास में पेन है. We have pens in our hands. We is plural, so you write here have. We have pens. हमारे पास में पेन्स हैं. कहाँ हैं? हमारे हाथ में है. Now third one. You have a pen in your hand. You के साथ में भी आपको have लगाना है. The boy has a pen. Boy is what? Singular. So for singular you have to write has. Okay? He has a pen in his hand. He has. उसके पास में पेन है. Has क्यों लगा यहाँ पे? Because he is one person, singular. So you have to write here has. Seventh sentence. The girls have pens in their hands. Girls have. Here girls is what? Plural. So you write here have. Girls plural है इसलिए आपको क्या लगाना है? Have. Eighth one. They have pens in their hands. They plural है इसके plural के साथ में आपने have लगाया. Ninth sentence. This pen has blue ink. इस पेन में blue ink है. This pen has. Pen is singular, so has will come here. क्यों singular रहेगा तो has, plural रहेगा तो have. It's very easy. 10th sentence. It has blue ink. उसमें blue ink है. It has blue ink. उसके पास blue ink है. It has उसके पास. These pens have blue ink. ये जो पेन्स रखी हुई है, बहुत सारे पेन्स हैं इसलिए आपने have का यूज किया है. 12th sentence. They have blue ink. उनके पास में blue ink है. They have. Okay, तो 12th sentence में they is plural, so write here have. Now turn your page. Page number 39. We will do exercise of this lesson. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Now you can easily do. I have written the rules of has and have. Okay, with plural and I you use have and with he, she, it and singular you use has. Now, question number 1 is fill in the blanks with has or have. आपको क्या करना है? आपको has या have fill करना है. First you see the subject and then write has or have. I dash two sisters. With I you will write have. I have two sisters. They is plural, so write your have. They have 6 toys. Third is a table. Single table है, therefore you write your has. A table has 4 legs. Fourth is Mishika. Mishika dash a doll. Mishika has a doll. Mishika के पास में doll है. Mishika is the name of a girl and she is singular. You के साथ में have. You have a cute smile. They have gone to the beach. I have written I, we, you, they. This lesson is particular lesson. ये एक ही लेसन के बारे में बोल रहा है, इसलिए आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? has. This lesson has many pictures. Sahil is singular person, so Sahil has 2 pet cats. Mr. Batra is also singular, so write your has. Mr. Batra has 2 cars. 10th is it has stopped raining. आज स्टॉप रेनिंग, अब बरसात रुक गई है. इट के लिए आपको हैज का यूज लगेगा. आई हैव रिटन इट के साथ में हैज. अंडरस्टूड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. चूज द करेक्ट नाउन फ्रॉम द बॉक्स टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. हियर सर्टेन वर्ड्स आर गिवन. सिंगुलर में भी है, प्लूरल में भी है. आपको उसमें चूज करना है एंड यू हैव टू फिल दैट ब्लैंक. डैश हैज हॉर्न्स. has is written is singular. Singular one किसके horns रहेंगे? goat के horns. camel के horns नहीं रहेंगे. fish, neither fish nor giraffe nor owl. The option is a goat has horns. Dash has fins. A fish has fins. Dash has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. Dash have large eyes. किसके बड़े बड़े आंखें रहती है? Owls. Dash have a hump. Have is written, so camels. What you will write here? Camels have a hump. Understood question number 2? Now question number 3. Choose the correct word. First read the sentence and try to find out the subject. If subject is singular, then write has. If subject is plural, write have. My dog dash a long tail. My dog is singular, so take for has. Second sentence is the coffee milk in it. Coffee क्या है? सिंगुलर है. बहुत सारी कॉफी तो नहीं है. Coffee has milk in it. The boy dash the correct answer. Boy सिंगुलर है, has. The water dash a bad taste. Water has. Yash dash 5 new shirts. Yash is singular. Yash has. A cow 4 legs. A cow singular person. A cow has. Elephants plural. Elephants have no horns. India brave soldiers. India has. India बहुत सारी तो इंडिया नहीं है. India has brave soldiers. Understood? Now my homework is that you have to revise this chapter. First read the rules. Read the sentences which is given in your book. Then do exercise in book itself, not in your copy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.